What is gender? Dear students, gender is that form of noun, which tells us whether the said thing is male, female or neither of the two. Gender refers to the socially constructed roles, behaviors, expressions and identities of girls, women, boys, men, and gender-diverse people. It influences how people perceive themselves and each other, how they act and interact, and the distribution of power and resources in society. Gender identity is not confined to a binary girl-woman, boy-man, nor is it static. It exists along a continuum and can change over time. In English, there are 4 genders. 1. Masculine gender. 2. Feminine gender. 3. Common gender. 4. Neuter gender. Masculine gender. A noun that denotes a male gender is said to be masculine gender. Example: boy, dog, etc. Feminine gender. A noun that names a female gender is said to be feminine gender. Example: girl, bitch, etc. Common gender. A noun that names either a male or female is said to be common gender. Example: child, student, friend, neighbor, cousin, etc. Neuter gender. A noun that denotes a lifeless thing is said to be neuter gender. Example: book, iron, wood, etc. Ways of forming the female gender. 1. By using an entirely different words, as masculine, feminine, brother, sister, boy, girl, bull, cow, bachelor, maid, lord, lady, king, queen, Mr., Mrs., buck, doe, cock, hen, dog, bitch, horse, mare, father, mother, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, sir, madam, husband, wife, stag, hind, ram, ewe, two. By adding s to the masculine, masculine, feminine, poet, poetess, giant, giantess, Jew, Jewess, lion, lioness, host, hostess, heir, heiress, free. By adding s after dropping the vowels of masculine ending. Actor, actress, tiger, tigress, negro, negress, waiter, waitress, founder, foundress, mister, mistress, hunter, huntress, inspector, inspectress. 4. By adding s in an irregular way. Duke, duchess, emperor, empress, god, goddess, governor, governess, mister, mistress, murderer, murderess, marquis, marchioness. 5. By adding a syllable in different way. Masculine, feminine. Alexander, Alexandrina. Joseph, Josephine. Bridegroom, bride. Monsieur, Madam, John, Jane, Paul, Pauline, Signor, Signora, Charles, Carolina, hero, heroine, widower, widow, viceroy, vicereign. 6. By adding a word before or after masculine gender. Beggar man, beggar woman, milkman, milkmaid, grandfather, grandmother, he goat, she goat, fisherman, fisherwoman, landlord, landlady, doctor, lady doctor, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, peacock, peahen. Some important points about gender. 1. All material nouns, abstract nouns and collective nouns are referred to as neuter gender. 2. All objects remarkable for strength, greatness, courage, are termed as male gender. Example: the sun, rain, anger, death. 3. Objects noted for beauty, grace, fertility are termed as female gender. E.g. the moon, the earth, truth, charity. 4. Names of countries, ships, art and sciences are considered female gender. Thanks for watching.